The Women's Trading Organization on the 27th of June 2022 formed the new subunits in the Chokpot area of South Garo Hills. During the program, the organization also elected new members, whereby Srimati Peselin Armarak was elected as the General Secretary and Srimati C.H. Sangma as the President of the Chokpot unit. The program was attended by Srimati Momin, President of the Women's Trading Organization headquartered Tura, along with the members of the organization. Speaking to the media, Momin said that they have formed the subunits in Chokpot to work for the betterment of Garo women who were engaging in business. She further encouraged all the new selected members to report if any problem persists.
Our Women's Trading Organization ni headquarter ni President Momin. Di mana da alo chinga Chokpot area ona reba emang Chokpot ni mandirang baksa chinga meeting ko takaha arun baksa na wamang Women's Trading Organization ko rachakna kushoni gumno chinga wamang ko da alo jol unit ko songaha un baksa na chinga office bearer rang na ba unit ni kita unit ni mandirang na chinga duntang macha office bearer ni mandirang ko shokanga ha aro jenma ba namni kimuna yakora rachakanga ha digi mana uni kise pon chinga achuk asongo mai ba takba da la problem rong ni chimodi chinga hamko khagen aro chingona ba nasimang sauba sani kita ba sandi muna nasimang ni area thangthango mai ba da lo bostong yode an thangthang ni personality kita khana amjagin chimodi chingko okam phachina nasimang ko mola chinga achikna jatna chinga takchakna kita chinga kushonga uni gmono chinga re achiga sungo dongi baditana ningni kani khamaninga warang ko chinga wara chakna aro nirokna magapang i mangna an chinga achik magapa chin dol khorutna ni mangna chinga ya Women's Trading Organization ko karo hes mukchi patna kata dakinga aro chinga ya i Chokpot san oi bija changgupno chinga gupun area rang sibari angi mangna chinga songwani ko takangen nija menir yang pasumai rango sobarang kumin katinga chem chingo pangani ni kanirang kumaninga chinga de da o nasuni delani ko tasung baksa bakramani ko nanginga nya kanaya chem nasimang nangni ki chim odi chingni office tonga headquarter ro Tura dermelo chingni office tonga Women's Trading Organization ni sauba nangni ke mai ba takchakani ko amgin chimodi chingona re bana kata mangen
Angni bimo ko NPGCX sangmamnga Women's Trading Organization Chokpot unit ni president wa dake da al Tura headquarter ni riba unit songaha mkhangchi chinga paketo aro bebio damki ongen ene kangkani kai da
anga Srimati Peselin Armarak ma anga Women's Trading Organization ni Chokpot unit ni General Secretary alo Chokpot ni riba mana unit singe ya Chokpot unit ko songa chinga mukhangchi chingni achik asongna aro chingni ya Chokpot area ni plak namgani na chinga khaketo khamko khayal angge ne chinga kari khai